friendship. In a cozy little village surrounded by rolling hills, there lived a small dog named Benny. Benny had fluffy white fur and bright, curious eyes. He loved to run and play, but sometimes he felt lonely because he didn't have anyone to share his adventures with. One day, while Benny was playing near a big oak tree, he noticed a colorful butterfly fluttering nearby. The butterfly had shimmering wings of blue, yellow, and green. Benny wagged his tail excitedly and decided to follow it. The butterfly led Benny to a sunny meadow filled with flowers. As Benny chased the butterfly, he accidentally tumbled into a soft, muddy puddle. He looked up, a little embarrassed, only to see the butterfly had landed gently on a nearby flower. "Hello," the butterfly said in a tiny, cheerful voice. "I'm Coco. What's your name?" Benny's ears perked up, and he smiled. "I'm Benny. I'm sorry if I scared you." Coco laughed, her wings fluttering lightly. "You didn't scare me at all. Would you like to be friends?" Benny's heart leaped with joy. "Yes, I would love that." From that day on, Benny and Coco became the best of friends. Every morning, Coco would fly to Benny's house, and together they would explore the village and the fields beyond. Benny would sniff out interesting trails, while Coco fluttered above, spotting things Benny couldn't see from the ground. One sunny afternoon, as they played near the big oak tree, they heard a soft mewing sound. Benny and Coco followed the sound and found a tiny kitten stuck in a bush. The kitten was gray with bright green eyes, and she looked very scared. Benny carefully approached the kitten. "Hi there, don't worry, we'll help you," he said softly. Coco hovered nearby, offering encouragement. "You can do it, Benny, gently now." Benny gently used his paws to push the branches aside, freeing the little kitten. She looked up at them with wide eyes and purred. "Thank you so much. My name is Luna. I got lost and didn't know how to get out." Coco landed on Benny's back and said, "We're happy to help, Luna. Would you like to join us on our adventures?" Luna's eyes sparkled with excitement. "Oh, yes, please, I'd love that." From that day on, Benny, Coco, and Luna became an inseparable trio. They played games, shared stories, and helped each other through every little trouble they encountered. Benny no longer felt lonely, for he had found not just one, but two wonderful friends. One evening, as the sun set and painted the sky in shades of orange and pink, the three friends sat together under the big oak tree. Benny looked at Coco and Luna and said, "I'm so happy we found each other. Every day is so much more fun with friends like you." Coco's wings sparkled in the fading sunlight as she replied, "Friendship makes everything brighter." Luna purred contentedly and added, "And together, we can face anything." And so, in the cozy little village surrounded by rolling hills, Benny, Coco, and Luna lived happily, their days filled with laughter, adventure, and the unbreakable bond of friendship. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel.